So I took these screws off here, here, here. And that like made the thing lift up. And then I had noticed there's a clip over here. So I pushed the whole top that way to get it off this clip right there. And then it opened up the top. So after you pop this off, which you need a flat head, you just put some downward pressure on this tab right here, and it pops off. Then you're going to see 4 screws. You take those screws off, that loosens up the panel. What I'm about to do is take these 2 Phillips heads off, and I think that's going to do it. I've already removed this one screw, just loosen up the top. I got to do this one. I think that's going to take care of it. Alright, so I'm putting this back together now. All I've done is I put the front back on here, and then I kind of hung it on this corner. All I've done is I put the screws in so far, and I put these 2 Phillips heads in so far. I might need to tighten that a little bit more. You can see it's still a little bit loose here, and that should rectify itself after I put the 4 screws in down there. Don't forget to reconnect this. That's all tightened back up as a result of the screws being put back in. That's plugged back in. So now this tab and this tab. All right, so the cord back here that holds onto this control panel has a lot of give to it. So in order to tuck it underneath this tab that was over here, you can pull this whole top forward and then just kind of set it, line it up here, and then it slides right back in there pretty good. Now I'm gonna put these screws in and it should be good to go. So this is like the exact same model just about that I had yesterday. I mean, it looks identical, and I think it might even be the same model number, but you can see down here it has a kick panel. Any dryer that has, now I'll tell you, sometimes dryers, it's not, it looks like there's a kick panel, but it's just a crease, but this one's obviously a kick panel. There's a spring here and a spring here. And then to take the vent trap compartment off, you just take off these 4 1/4-inch nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. But of course you want to unplug it first. This is a super easy one.